Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming model and iOS so steps match. Once done, back up your iPhone to iCloud or a computer to avoid data loss. Next, open Settings, tap Accessibility, then Touch. This takes you directly to Assistive Touch controls. You need to know whether the on-screen button is Assistive Touch or a third-party overlay because the removal method differs. Make sure to note it now and proceed to turn Assistive Touch off if that's the cause. You toggle Assistive Touch off and watch the floating button disappear. If it doesn't, check whether a third-party app provides on-screen controls, find it on your home screen, or in Settings General Background App Refresh. Once located, disable that app's feature or uninstall it. If unsure, restart the iPhone to clear temporary overlays and recheck accessibility settings. This step removes software-based buttons and narrows down hardware versus software causes, so make sure to validate the result after reboot. You finish by updating iOS and resetting accessibility options if the button still appears. Updating fixes bugs and reset clears custom gestures that might recreate overlays. Once done, test thoroughly across apps to confirm the button is gone. If the floating control remains after updates, it could be a system fault or a stuck hardware input. In that case, back up again and contact Apple support or an authorized service provider for diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.